Alright, it's a pretty large box. See if I can guess and see what's in here. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's make all one piece here. 1, 2 pieces. Just 3. And 4. This one has a little weight to it. This looks like a rear slider, maybe. Yeah, it has a piece on it. It's like a oil cooler guard. I'm thinking this is the rear and that's the front. For the rear. And last but not least, we have the radiator guard. So that's, of course, the lower piece there. What's that? No. I have the same exact thing on my Street Fighter, and those were a pain in the neck to put on. And I did it during the worst time. It was like 100 degrees. It was like 120 in my garage, but hopefully the Beamer will be a lot easier to install these on. So we'll put these on first, and then I'm gonna go with these, and then last I'll put the radiator guards on. All right, let's go. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna start with the rear spools. There it is, 6mm, and some thread locker. So we'll take this over to the bike, and then install it. These are very simple. All you do is screw it on. There's already a spot for it. You guys can see that right there, right here. All right, all you need is a little bit of thread lock on there, and then this goes right here. And just hand tight. I don't want to go all crazy. They're probably that's good. So they're on. So I'm gonna try. All right, guys. So I determined which one is the front and which one's the rear. This one is the rear. This one has this opening here, and it goes over the rear axle nut. And this one's on the other side. This one's the front. I'll show you that more details on that one. On this side, it's like flat, and this side has an opening. This one is obviously for the opening on the bike. So we'll take these over there and install these real quick. These are very easy to install. Like I said, this one goes over here, over the axle nut right here, like that, like so. And this one just sits flush, goes inside that one like that. So, all right, guys. So what I did was I'm taking this in, like I said, the one that goes over the rear axle nut. I'm gonna sit it over there while I inserted the other side in like so. I don't know if you guys can see that coming through. That's the other side. And it goes on the inside here. It goes washer first and then the nut. So then you see on this side here, there's an actual hole right there. It goes actually in there like so. And on this side, it goes over. All right, guys, so you wanna grab 2 14mm sockets. One going on here. You see the nut in here. So basically you wanna hold that while you're screwing in the other side. See, get this one on here, and then we got this one on here. So we're good. You see how this one, this is the brake side. How that has an inside like that. It's like a more lip, so it goes inside there, and the other one is flat. See how it goes in? So you want the flatter end. Wide side on the brake side, flat side on the clutch side. Doing the same thing, so I'm not going to show you guys this. It's the same routine. It's just remember, thick side on this side, narrow side on the other. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start putting on the radiator guards. Start by taking the fairing off. I don't know if I have to take both sides off. I have to see. if I could just slide it through there without having to take the other side off, but and I'll let you know if I have to do that. But removing it here, looks like I have to remove the bolt down here. You guys can see that. And this piece slides off, and then there's two in here, 2 or 3. Let me see, there's 1, 2, and then this one there, 3. That's attached to the radiator. So yeah, so I should be able to just like slide it through once I move this piece right here. Slide both through. The thing is that they have to be screwed on, so I wonder if I just screw it first and then put it on, but we'll get into all that, and I'll let you know what I did after I removed these. Okay guys, since we got everything pulled apart on the bike, I want to point out one thing. These come with these little bump stoppers. They go in this way, like they go in that way. So you go in from behind here, and you put them in facing this way, like sticking out this way, kind of come in this way. So basically, the fat part is on the back of it, back of the guard. And also I want to point out that, see, all these are hex. There's specific points for these bump stoppers. They have a circle. It's kind of hard to point out because all these are hex and kind of blends in, but each one of these have a circle for you to put them in. So you gotta take your time and stare at it, and then you'll figure out where the circle is, and that's where you put the bump stop in. And that's also for down here also. All these are hex, but the ones where the bump stops are actually circular to point out where you're supposed to put them at. So you gotta stare at it for a minute, and then you'll get them. So alright, let's get these put on the bike. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start putting on the radiator guards. Start by taking the fairing off. Moving here, looks like I have to remove the bolt down here. You guys can see that. And this piece slides off, and then there's 2 in here, 2 or 3. Let me see, there's 1, 2, and then this one there, 3. That's attached to the radiator. Okay, the next part that I forgot to show you guys is you have to remove this screw from down here. The same 4mm hex, as you see, same size. And also that it has Loctite on it, so when you go to replace it, to put it back on, make sure you put some more Loctite on there. Wow, that has a lot on there already, so I'll probably just put just a little bit more on there. Alright, so now we're going to slide this thing in here. Okay guys, I had to remove this whole piece right here. It was just hanging off here. It goes right back on, so you can actually really pull this forward. And I slid it over here. You just gotta be careful that you don't actually scratch the actual oil pan down here, the oil cooler, I should say, down here. So just hold this forward, and then you slide it through here like so. It's on there. Got those up so the top part can screw in. Alright, so I'm gonna insert the top part. Alright, okay guys, as you see, I had to take off both sides. I had to take off the other side because I have to remove this screw here on the other side so the actual radiator guard can get screwed in to the thing and don't fall off. I didn't notice that. It's not like that with my Ducati. I usually slid it through, although those were way more difficult to put on. So, alright, I'm almost done with it. I'm gonna just slide this one on here. Well, I'm gonna unscrew this bolt right here, push that down, and then slide the radiator guard in there. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, as you see, got it in. Like I said, I removed the other side, the other fairings on the other side. And there's a little hook right there. Make sure this part up here hooks around on both sides. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yeah. Yeah, probably can't. But yeah, it's the same thing on this side. Make sure it hooks around. And the last part, just gotta screw this in down here, and we're all good to go. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna put all the fairings back on. We're gonna go on the ride and take a look at these things. Here's the radiator guards. So what do you guys think? We got the front slider here, rear slider here. Yep. So that's all the little stuff I got so far. And these mirrors, I did a video installing these mirrors. I'll put that out. But yeah, I'm just out here enjoying this weather. It's really nice today. So I figured I'd go on the ride and show you guys the radiator guards. Right there, you see them. They look good. They're performing well. They're not loose or anything. So we're good. Alright, so that's all I got with the bike so far. I mean, I really haven't purchased any mods for it. I gotta get the front, like the actual frame slider. I gotta get that, and I gotta get rid of those rear passenger pegs. I'm gonna have to replace the steering dampener to something a little bit more stronger that can handle vibrations and stuff like that, handle these roads out here. So that's all I got for you guys. The radiator doors right there. Talk to you guys on the next one. Alright, peace.